Hello everyone, let's start with the series roadmap to become competitive programmer 5 star. So in this video I'll be solving 38th problem and it says bath in Windows. So a geyser has a capacity of x liters x liters of water and a bucket has a capacity of y liters of water. So one person requires exactly 2 buckets of water to take a bath. Find the maximum number of people that can take bath using water from one completely filled geyser. Yeah, it is only I'll tell you on the board. First line will contain T, the number of test cases, C in while T management. This will take care of all the test cases, and it is saying each test case contains a single line of input to integers x and y. So it is x, comma y. Okay, yeah, and they've given 4 examples. Let's take this one, 10, 6. So first example is y is equal to 6. So basically what this thing is, we have one geyser and so it has a capacity of 10 liters and we have one bucket and whose capacity is y liter, basically 6 in this case, and we have one person. So he requires 2 buckets to take a complete bath. So now 2 buckets means he'll require 12 liters of water, but in geyser we have only 10 liters. So 10 liter greater than 12 liter is false, right? Which means he will not be able to completely bath. So in this case what we will do is, if he is not able to completely bath, so the number of person that took bath is basically 0. He did not take bath. So yeah, this was it, and let me go to second example and slowly I'll explain you the logic. Yeah, it is 0 in this case. Now let's consider this one, 25, 1. So geezer's capacity is 25 and bucket's capacity is 1 liter. It is 1, sorry. So if you see, a person requires 2 buckets, right? So he requires 2 liter of water, right? So if you divide 25 by 2, this will give you 12. So how many people will able to bath? Basically 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, if you do, okay, so on till 12 times, this will give you 24 liter and 1 liter will be remaining, and with that 1 liter a person cannot completely bath. So in this case our answer is 12. So how many people will completely bath? 12 people, which is the answer here. Let's consider this one, 110. So bucket's capacity is 10 liter, geezer's capacity is 100 liter. So in order to bath person he requires 2 buckets, so 20 liter is required by one person. So if you multiply 20 into 5, this will be 100. So basically 5 people will be able to completely bath, or if you do this way, 100 by 20 will also give you 5. So yeah, this is it. I think fourth one, in third one it is 5. In fourth one, if you see, a person bucket's capacity is 40, which means even if one person will bath, so it requires 80 liter of water, but in geyser we have only 30. So yeah, 0 is the answer, like no person will be able to bath it. So you'll have to return x divided by 2 star y, right? This will give you a number of person bathing. Yeah, as you can see, 0 12 5 0 0 12 5 0. Let's start to submit the code. Yeah, it got accepted, so it was easily not that hard. So basically you'll have to multiply y by 2 and divide x by 2y. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.